Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your email verification code for Hotmail aka Outlook quickly and without any confusion. So let's go ahead and jump straight in and make this as simple as possible. Alright, first we need to head on over to Microsoft.com and click onto Outlook. From here we want to go ahead and click on the sign in button. Now from here we want to go ahead and put in our email address, and now from here put in your password and then click onto next. Now, after you've done this is where it becomes interesting. So because I've been on Outlook, I'm not going to get a code. But if you haven't been on Outlook for a while, Microsoft may prompt you for a verification code, and that's exactly what we're trying to get here. So on the verification page, you'll see different ways Microsoft can send you a code. Usually it'll give you the option to send it to your recovery email or to your phone number. If you added one, go ahead and choose the email option by clicking email a code. Now Microsoft will send that security code to your registered recovery email address. Open a new tab or check your mail app and head into your inbox. The code should arrive almost instantly, but also don't forget to check your spam or junk folder in case it gets filtered there as well. So once you receive the message, open up and copy the code, then head back to the verification code page here, then paste that code or type the code into the box and hit verify, and that's it, you're in. You've successfully received and entered your Hotmail email verification code.